The 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer is a highly durable and efficient machine designed to tackle heavy-duty work in construction, mining, and earth-moving projects. Equipped with a powerful engine and state-of-the-art technology, the D10 Dozer delivers outstanding performance in tough environments. This model is engineered for maximum productivity, offering a combination of power, precision, and versatility, making it a top choice for demanding operations. The heart of the 2025 D10 Dozer is its Cat C18 engine. This engine provides an impressive horsepower output that allows the machine to handle even the most challenging tasks. Whether it's pushing heavy loads of material or grading large surfaces, the Cat C18 engine ensures that the D10 operates with optimal efficiency, reducing fuel consumption while maintaining high performance. The engine is also designed to meet global emission standards, promoting an eco-friendly approach to powerful heavy machinery. One of the standout features of the 2025 D10 Dozer is its advanced hydraulic system. The Dozer is equipped with a next-generation hydraulic system that offers superior control and lifting capabilities. The machine's hydraulics allow for precise movements, making it easier to operate in tight spaces or perform delicate tasks. Whether it's moving dirt, rock, or other materials, the hydraulic power in the D10 ensures smooth operations, even in the most demanding environments. The Dozer's undercarriage is another area where it excels. Built to withstand the roughest terrains, the undercarriage of the D10 is reinforced for durability and longevity. Its high ground clearance ensures that it can navigate challenging surfaces without getting stuck or damaged. This design helps improve the Dozer's overall performance and reduces wear and tear over time, ultimately leading to lower maintenance costs and extended service life. The 2025 D10 Dozer also comes with a high-tech operator's cab that offers maximum comfort and visibility. The spacious, ergonomic cabin is designed to minimize operator fatigue, ensuring productivity throughout long working hours. It features an advanced air conditioning system, easy-to-use controls, and a high-definition display screen that provides critical machine data and performance metrics. The cab is also equipped with noise and vibration reduction technology, creating a more pleasant work environment. Safety is always a priority with Caterpillar, and the 2025 D10 Dozer is no exception. It is equipped with multiple safety features to protect both the operator and the machine. The Dozer is designed with anti-slip steps, reinforced handrails, and a robust structure that provides excellent protection in case of unexpected incidents. It also includes advanced monitoring systems that alert operators to any potential issues, ensuring that maintenance is performed promptly to avoid costly breakdowns. In addition to these remarkable features, the D10 Dozer offers excellent versatility with various attachments that can be added to suit specific tasks. Whether you're looking to push, lift, or grade, the wide range of attachments ensures that the D10 can be tailored to meet the unique needs of your project. The 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer is a true powerhouse, offering advanced technology, durability, and versatility. With its powerful engine, superior hydraulics, and operator-focused design, it is a machine built for efficiency, safety, and long-term performance.